Lord, my status report is ready, my lord. If it permits, I can file it, my lord. The chairman of the SIT, my lord, as your lordships indicated, the IG, my lord, who initially was the SIT, he's heading the SIT, my lord. He is also present in my.
What is your feedback?
Lord, in this matter, Lord, I am appearing for Mirmoy Akhada. In the main suit, I was one of the plaintiff, Lord, and I was the main contesting party. I also filed an IA. My IA is not listed because the office asked me to submit the paper books. Because there are 12,000 pages. How can I submit 12,000 pages to the entire
Main
record?
suit has
Your
nothing
lordship has already
issue.
recorded in
Main
digital record with your lordship, my lord. My application may be listed.
No, in any case, without application also we are hearing you.
Lord, I have already filed an application.
Application for?
Application for direction in the main suit, my lord. I am the main affected party.
No, affected by the investigation or what?
Lord, I am the affected party because I am one of the trustee. Your lordship has included me.
Are you opposing investigation?
No, I am not opposing. I am rather asking investigation. I want to supply certain things.
That's why we are saying that all of you, now we have constituted an SIT. SIT is conducting investigation. They may say that it's good, doing a commendable job, whatever good thing. But if you want any suggestions for the purpose of a better investigation, qualitatively better.
Lord, I am requesting your lordship for implementation, proper implementation of the order. Because even the proper order has been not implemented, my lord.
Exactly, this is what we are saying. So all of you can give us suggestions so that we can issue comprehensive further direction.
And your lordship will list my application also, my lord.
We would be
Your lordship
in a position, my lords, to
your lordship
the
will direction
my lords.
to list my application also. That's the thing I am asking. Lord.
proper implementation
Lords, can I
of the
get 30 seconds?
judgment which decided this dispute. Ayodhya dispute. It has nothing to do with this.
Those issues here.
Lord, ultimately,
My lords,
Lordship
we
may
will
consider
be in a
it.
better position, my lord, process the honorable court once
I'm not
the
saying.
status report be supplied to the petitioners, my lord.
Do you have any suggestion for the betterment of the ongoing investigation?
Yes.
For the qualitative.
My lord, at least let the status report be supplied to
is
the
one of the
petitioners, my lord.
Just a minute, please, to make it more accountable, more transparent, and more effective for the purpose of ongoing investigation. Please give your suggestions so that we can consider and issue supplementary additional directions as may be required.
The state is filing the
Lords,
status
can I
report.
get
We are the
30
party to
seconds,
the
my lord?
proceedings, my lord. So the copy should be supplied to us so that we could be in a better
Investigation
position.
cannot be shared with strangers. I'm sorry.
No, we are not strangers. This petition is filed on behalf of the people of India. We have the
My lord,
fundamental
we are-
right to know.
It may cause prejudice to the suspect or to the person
Yes.
who is
My
ultimately.
lord, we would not be in a position to assist the honorable court, my lord, in that
Settle law.
case.
My lord, I want to flag the issue.
As far as
While
the
this matter is
transparency
pending before this
concerned,
court, the
Lordship,
Honorable
they
Chief
may
Minister
publish.
has publicly referred the SIT findings and announced that no sadhu or saint were found
You are
involved.
aware of that the way the investigation is going on. If the SIT is doing the job satisfactorily, that's a different issue. But if you feel that they are wanting in any manner and some qualitative improvement is required, we are inclined to, we are sitting with open mind, we can issue additional direction.
We are not asking for the case diary, my lord. We are just the status report, my lord. Even the content of the FIR is not in public, my lord.
At this stage,
FIR content is not disclosed by the state, which is mandatory for them.
My lord, can I get 30 seconds? I have only 3 concerns, my lord.
During that period, this can't be shown to everywhere.
Lordship, at this
My lord,
stage,
one
the
some-
only
my
submission,
lord,
Lordship,
settle
they
down.
may publish the donation, data of the donation they have received. At least they may publish. This will not cause any effect to the investigation or anything. At least we'll get the idea
That is
that what
also
donation
done.
they
We
have
included,
received.
my lord,
My lord, one submission, my lord.
From day one, we are only
that,
concerned with the donation.
we are
And the
foreign
entire
foreign
matter is
countries
with
are
respect to
now-
donation. Whatever donation they have received, whether I have given 50 rupees or 500 rupees, yes.
There are certain other reforms, the directions for the purpose of reforms that are required to be issued. That we will issue. We are also conscious of this fact, that how the donation amount should be maintained, what kind of transparency.
It is being maintained. We
I
have a
have the
forensic
report.
audit
I have
and
the report of one independent CA that has done the audit. I will file it before the lordship.
I filed an application 201844, which is already notified there. Well, for intervention, I was the first person to file a litigation in this matter on 14th itself, and my lord, this court seized of the matter on 26th. And my lord, then the matter has been listed on 7/6. My lord, before that, my lord, Allahabad High Court said it is already seized off by the Supreme Court. Therefore, my application may be allowed. My lord, I'll participate and I give my lord as suggested by this honorable court. I'll give my lord all my suggestions to this court and to submit my
Participate for what?
my lord, in the proceeding and my lord, suggestions to the investigation.
Yes, we are permitting right now.
My lord, only one.
My application
only
may
one
be
submission.
allowed.
My lord, the allegation is arised. The state government formed the SIT, and the SIT arrested some person and recovered the money and article from some person and arrested some. They put jail. Till today, they are jail. Till today, the trust is saying any of the article money is not missed. Now the statement also they say no money, no article not missed. It is clearly shows it is deliberately the trust did some lapse or inappropriate. My lord, I am requesting kindly dissolve the trust till the
Be
investigation is
responsible
over.
in our
My
submission.
lord, the trust.
We are before the Supreme Court.
My lord, the
There are
current
perils
trust-
of life
My lord,
streaming.
my lord, the proper investigation will not done with the current trust, my lord.
SIT is not under the trust, please appreciate. SIT is constituted by us.
My lord,
SIT is answerable and accountable to us.
Sir-
They will have to report to us.
my lord, the first SIT formed by the state state of Uttar Pradesh arrested some person and recovered the money and article, my lord. Till today, the trust saying nothing was missing.
My application may be allowed so that my lord, my friend Learned Solicitor General may not say that outsiders. We are not
No,
outsiders.
no, outsiders means in
My
a criminal,
application may be-
No, only a minute, mister. In a criminal investigation, it is always between the prosecutor, accused, court and the victim. That in that legal sense, I said it cannot be shared with outsiders.
I'm a
That's the
contributor.
legal position.
My lords,
And I
my lords,
asked-
victim
they said-
base is larger, my lords, in this case.
Corpus and I contribute.
Millions of people involved, my lords.
I am
My lord, apart
entitled
from
to-
this
I am the
case
first
theft, there
person
are
to
also
file a
serious
petition.
allegations
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
land
All
scam.
that is strangers.
Matter.
Not a stranger,
There
my
are
lords.
also allegations of 40% commission. That
This is a
dimension
fine
has
in the
never
larger
been
interest,
You
my
will
lord.
not interfere, my lord. I will
investigated,
not
my lord.
interfere in it.
I want to ask Lordship to list the application. Ultimately,
Can
you know,
The statement be directed to file the counter, my lords, in this case. We are not a
My
stranger.
lord, there are also serious allegations of land scam in this. 2 crore land is within 10 minutes converted into 20. My lord,
Investigations, even victim, my lord, cannot be part.
So we are
My lords are aware.
we are not asking for the case diary.
My lord, all stranger must be investigated, my lord. All stranger must be investigated.
historical importance.
Okay, wide over.
Millions of people are the victims, my lords, in this case.
Just a minute. Wide order dated 27 July 2026. An SIT was constituted to investigate the allegations regarding misappropriation of the trust funds. It was also directed that a forensic auditor will also be associated as a member of the SIT.
It is there.
Next paragraph. In compliance thereto, the SIT comprising the officers mentioned in para 1 of the above stated order along with a forensic auditor are investigating into the financial affairs of the trust. A status report has been prepared that may be filed in the registry in sealed cover for the perusal of this court. We also permit the petitioners or any other bona fide public spirited person to give their suggestions to the Office of Learned Solicitor General with respect to the aspects that may be required to be thoroughly investigated by SIT. All such suggestions shall be forwarded to the SIT. We have no reason to doubt that the same shall be objectively considered. Since the investigation, next paragraph, since the investigation, we are informed that investigation is still going on. Propose the matter for further consideration, so and so date.
Only one clarification. The lordship have said.
The state may be directed to file the reply, my lords.
Investigating into financial affairs, investigating into the offense. which is FIR, theft, etc.
So
There are also many offences, my lord, connected to this.
No, offense, my lord, it covers everything.
Ah, okay.
Because
Not only
financial
just
offense,
theft.
my lord, might be a little wider thing, which we are not doing.
Post the matter and so on. So
My lord,
that is how much time they are expecting to?
My lord, 3 weeks for the, my lord, your losses may.
But let them conclude it also.
Certain.
They must take it to a logical conclusion.
I bow down.
My application is already listed, my lord, it notified. My application may be allowed, my lord. I already there, it is there.
Application is for what purpose?
Intervention, my lord.
All of you are permitted to intervene. All intervention applications are allowed, and
Yes.
the
Deeply.
interveners are permitted to assist the court.
Yes, madam. Deeply.
Meantime, they can file a reply, your lordships.
My lord, we want to find the additional document. Kindly give us the permission to
The
file.
suit
that.
is disposed of now. Appeal is disposed of.
Then that
But in that very suit, your lordships are interfering, my lord. And therefore,
No, no, no.
not interfering. We are not interfering in that way.
ultimately defalcation has taken place and there is a domain on the funds. And the
Yes.
funds has not been utilized. It is not properly, my lord. But
Kindly give us the permission to file additional documents, my lord.
Ramanand is said. Has to be made involved. That
File your whatever petition or anything, but don't file.
did not.
Grateful,
be
madam.
said. I'm only asking listing of the
No,
matter.
we will not list like this unless you remove cure the defects.
Your lordship has a record of 12,000 pages.
No, but then how can you file IA in that case? You file a separate petition, whatever you want to file. Then this,
The only maintenance
Jain,
is my petition.
Mr. Jain, our SIT is limited to the investigation of FIR in a fair, independent, dispassionate manner.
When
It had nothing to
persons
do
have been
with the
left out,
original.
Lord.
It
Where
has-
main persons have been left out because the persons have the domain over the funds.
So-
If there is a misappropriation of the funds or the breach of trust,
For that-
those cases they are not examining that
But
matter.
that's why we have just granted permission that whatever suggestions are there regarding, please pass on.
Not
We will.
in this matter, my lord. My
Thank you,
president,
Mr. Jain.
I will be assisting your lordship on various aspects, my lord, very requiring real consideration because this act is admittedly Ramanand Act. And Nirmoya Khada is, my lord, fighting this litigation for 150 years.
All right, thank
And
you.
your
very much.
lordship,
Your lordship, the,
My lord, only one submission.
one submission.
Unless and until we know what exactly transpired, how can we give suggestions?
Yes, sir. They have not filed a reply.
Consider this.
We will, so far as of now is concerned, we will not permit you. We will see that we'll go through the report and then we'll see that whether it will, disclosure of it will have any impact on the ongoing investigation.
Even to assist your lordship, even to assist your lordship.
improvement in the working, my lord.
My lord, since intervener
We need the working-
application is allowed, to assist your lordship, there should be an
There is no,
We will-
Prashad is given, no Chairman nothing is given.
That
Part of them, Lord, my the custom, my lord, is a Ramanandi sect. They are not doing anything.
We
are just
Mr. Jain,
taking
we
the
are not going into this sect, A sect, B sect, D sect. We are only concerned with the investigation of an offense, that's all.
There are two.
So ultimately, that is also.
There are two aspects. One is an aspect of criminal investigation, which
you are for whom?
I'm also for Nirmoya Khada.
So that is argued.
It's only
You
I'm only making one suggestion. So far as the criminal investigation is concerned, the society is looking at it and your lordships are overseeing it, no problem. But there are structural issues which are there as far as the trust is concerned, which are not.
Those are not before us. How many times you point out, these matters are only for investigation of the FIR. We are only concerned right now, we want to take this investigation to a logical conclusion.
Yes.
If there are other issues, somebody will
So,
raise, we will examine.
Since the trust was constituted under the orders of your lordships, my lord, therefore, Millers, the structural problems which are there in the trust, the lordship will have to look at it. Why the problem?
That is
Scope of the present matter is completely different. from
Completely
what you are
different.
Trying to project.
Lord, it was a five judgment and the suit appeal arising from.
I have
One mix of both.
writ petition is not limited only to these aspects. There are prayers in those writ petitions also which concern with the structural aspects.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Of the trust. Now,
Yes.
since the trust, the problem that we are facing is that since the trust was constituted under the order of this court, but the government has constituted a trust which is a private trust. Now, if it is treated as a private trust, this problem will arise always.
This is complete,
Unless-
not even remotely.
Regulatory oversight as far as the trust is
Then
concerned.
we can examine the remaining aspects.
So
Let
that
the
is,
SIT report come.
so what is required is, Your Lordship.
No, that is
state
completely
procedure.
beyond
For
the
purposes-
scope of this.
Just a second, sir.
Now,
Just a second, sir.
Mr.
Just
Jain
a
has said
second.
the same.
It doesn't matter. If for that purpose, as far as
This young-
criminal investigation is one part of it,
Doesn't-
as far as the structure part of it, Your Lordship will have to give some procedural directions.
This bulk designation has get it.
How many times will point out these petitions are only for the purpose of investigation, nothing more we will entertain in that. If there is a separate issue comes, we will examine it independently in accordance with whatever.
Well, we have placed in the petition, my lords. We have prayed for. And that's why the state should be directed to file the counter.
Item 36, please, item 36.
Oblate.
No, we will not list like this. You go and remove the objection. And where the question of application, we are time and again we are pointing out.
It's a 142 powers.
142, Mr. Jain, 142 power we will use if the need be.
But maintainable.
Not for converting a writ petition into an IA.
Power under 142. That is, all these orders have been passed under 142. Otherwise, your lordship could not have passed the order because the appeal was not maintainable. Only my SLP was maintainable. But because your lordship was inclined to hear the matter, I did not press that point at that time. I argued the matter, my lord. And your lordship, ultimately, that order has to be implemented properly. I am trying to bring that fact to your lordship. Where is the question of 12,000 page report?
All right, thank you very much. File a review or whatever you want to file. We do not know. What is your
Filed at 12:30 and it was dismissed at 2:01. Within half an hour, it was not even read by your lordship, my lord. How can it
These are perils of live streaming, my lord. Please do not say this. Please do not say this.
It was not in the list also.
we are not aware of,
The list,
Mr. Jain, if
in the matter, it was disposed of.
No, review is
Then we are
always
not aware
disposed of
what-
in chamber.
Why please stop, let us stop it unnecessarily.
Yes, Lord, this is the position. This is
Obliged.
the matter.
Obliged.
Mr. Jain, whatever you are arguing, we were not there. We are not aware of half an hour hearing, 1 hour hearing,
I-
2 hour hearing.
I
We
am
have,
satisfied from your lordship's record.
yes.
I am satisfied from lordship's record, my lord.
Thank you very much. Thank you. File a proper petition. Yes. Item 36.
In one matter letter has come. 36.